welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So by the title of this video, you guys already know what you're going to be doing today. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of video. Anyways, I'm going to the market to get some things I'm going to be cooking today. So I'm heading to the market. I already wrote down everything I'm going to be buying, because you don't go to the market without writing things down. I mean, you surely forget. I've tried it. Surely forget something. So I have things I'm buying here. So yeah, let's go. Brother. On the alright, this head is small.
I want to sit down. I want to sit down. Take on them now. Take on them now. What's this catapult? I see papa like this fight na 450. Nine by 4 balls. I don't know.
So much more here.
Mama, I bring down. I'm going to have to do it. We don't go out for yes. I don't want to buy a balls. I will get them for us. Look at them now. Which one want to?
How much last?
Oh, then I last.
Put the yellow pepper for me. Yellow pepper. I'm 200. 200. Must know. That's really the inside. How did they chop them? You will just boil them. Okay. I never tried them before. Hi guys. So I just came back like few minutes ago, and I left the KBT start to go to the market because you know I don't have any other person on me. So thankfully I just got back and he is sleeping. So I'm going to use this opportunity to go and prep this meal that we're going to be cooking today. I want to make oha soup and semo. Then the other ones I got, the catfish and this thing, I want to use it for a recipe that will be coming up on my channel. You guys should have seen that video before this one, so in case you have not seen it or you missed it, I'm going to link it anywhere in the cards up there. So yeah, I wanted to cook with two food today, the cooked meal, but my strength cannot take it. So yeah, so let's just go to the kitchen. I have to change up this dress quickly and wear something more comfortable for cooking. So let's go. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I was able to vlog in the market. You guys don't even know how shy I am. I've been trying to conquer this shyness, like carrying the camera up in the market or filming in the open place, especially when I'm alone. Funny thing is that when I'm with my friends or my sister, especially my sister and my friends, I can fling this camera anywhere, and I mean, they used to boost my morale up, but now I'm alone. I'm going to try my best. I must do it, okay? So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so I am done with prepping, and here are everything. So here we have I have inside here some dried goat meat. I have cow meat, then dried fish and stock fish. Then here are some onions. Here is a yellow pepper and crayfish. Here is ede for our thickener, if I say ede. So this is what I'm going to use to season the meat right now. This is inside here is Cameroon pepper and salt. I have some stock cube. Then here is my ogiri. I don't know what they call this in English, but this is ogiri for making ora soup and bitter leaf soup. And this was gifted to me by my mother-in-law. This is the best I've ever used. Okay, so yeah, so I'll go ahead to add some onions. Okay, that's a lot of onions that I sliced up. Anyways, I'll just keep it in the fridge. Then this, and some cube, some non-cube actually. So I'm carrying DK on my hand. That's why I'm using one hand. He woke up. Yes. But the most important ingredient is ogiri and this thing. To get this hot spicy taste, you need everything that is there. Nothing is exempted. Okay? So I'll go ahead to add some water. I would have allowed this thing to cook first, to bring up some steam, but it's a dry meat and there is no water inside. So this remaining ones here is for after the meat is done. Like after I finish boiling the meat, I just add them up. So that's okay for the water. I'll transfer this to the cooker. So here is this. I'm going to just so I'll just cover this up to allow it to cook for some minutes, then we'll be back to check it, okay? Hi guys, some minutes now. So I'm going to just add the thickener. By the way, I blended this, I did not pound it, so saving myself some stress. Hi guys, so DK kept on crying. I could not continue with what I was saying. He was so loud. So I've already added the ogiri. Now adding the yellow pepper and crayfish. Then I'm adding a little bit of more water. And some palm oil. Some people actually use this thing, apple. They actually make apple for the. I cannot. Anyways, I'm using my red oil. Please, this one works for me very well. We are right back. Now I'm going to be putting the vegetables that we are going to be using for this soup, which is oha and oziza abi. Utazi. I think it's Utazi. This name used to confuse me. Anyways, you know the leaf if you know oha soup, so that's what I'm putting in here. And I've already switched off my cooker so that the steam will just be the thing that will actually just make the leaves to be soft. I don't want it to be too soggy or too soft. I've already switched off my cooker. Now I'm stirring everything together, and that's it for this food. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, so I'm going to shut up my mouth and let you guys enjoy the rest of this video. Oh Jesus, I just finished filming another video. DK is a handful, Jesus. So I'm about to eat. I'm about to just enjoy this food because I deserve it. So this is what it's looking like. Let me show you guys. I have some Chapman cocktail here. I don't know whether that will go well with the swallow, but I don't care. I'll still take it. And the swallow and the soup. So see his head. See his head. Are you guys seeing? Anyways, so yeah, that's been gone. I don't know what I'm saying again. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching.